I don't see her like
She-
come out when y'all
not
get
with the
together. I
bird.
don't ever see her in the pictures. Like,
Because Amanda won't come out until after
or unless
7
y'all
o'clock.
go to her house.
After 7 o'clock, she'll come out. She hates the sun. She thinks it's getting blacker.
Oh my god.
So she won't come out. She's like, absolutely not.
Sound like Bella.
I didn't even know Lexi until I seen her pictures the other day because I think Lexi don't know us anymore. That doesn't even look like her. Because the last time I seen her was when Laura won over there.
I think she was a baby. She was very little.
She was little, you know.
And that's a damn brat.
She's so pretty though.
She's beautiful, but so damn conceited.
Looks like her dad.
She's like, I know I look good.
Yeah.
And then you got little Elvis, and little Elvis,
I became her.
we had I had a New Year's party, like a New Year's pajamas, Jamie's Dash over here for New Year's. And I told my girl Jess, I hit that. She like, when you kiss, I hit that for sure. And he's giving my man, like him and Hopper are giving each other dap, and I'm like, honey, don't antagonize him, like don't, stop it. He's like, oh yeah.
Did you like the doggies back there? Yeah. I know, he likes the dog.
Yeah, do something else. We gotta go country though.
Is she modding already? She just been out?
I'm gonna take him tomorrow. She said she's willing to move to the east side, west side if you can find a 3-bedroom house.